Honorable Chief Guest, respected audience, and my dear fellows. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am glad to join you today on the day of independence. Respected audience, I am here to make you remember the days of independence and the story of freedom of the Pakistan. On 14 August 1947, Pakistan attained freedom from the British and Hindus rule. Every year, August 14 is celebrated as the Independence Day in Pakistan. This national festival is celebrated with great enthusiasm all over the country. The independence day of any country is a moment of pride and glory. On this special occasion, these tributes are paid to the freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives and fought to free their motherland from the clutches of the oppressors. British who ruled the country. Respected audience, the story of freedom is a continuous struggle of 100 years of the Muslims of subcontinent. I remember the days when the Muslims were united for the great cause of Pakistan. I remember the days when the Muslims were devoted for the great cause of Pakistan. I remember the days when the Muslims were devoted for their slogans. I remember the days, gentlemen, the leadership abilities of a great lawyer of subcontinent. Yes, you are right. I am talking about Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Let's salute the father of nation for his great efforts for the establishment of Pakistan. It is because of our great Quaid that we are living in an independent country. We are no longer the slaves of Hindus and British people. So once again I salute the great Quaid for his sincere efforts. Gentlemen, I remember the days when Allama Iqbal gave hope to the hopeless people of subcontinent. I remember those glorious days. Dear audience, those days and 78 years later in the present days, when I make comparison between these, I find a big difference. When I compare the people of those times with today, I am surprised to see that people nowadays are divided into different sects. They represent themselves by their caste and sects. We need to develop a system today, so let's build a better nation because millions of our brothers are helpless. They need our help. Let's discover the secrets of a satisfied life. In previous times, people who were not so wealthy, but they were happier and content than the people of modern age. As a Pakistani, we need to realize that Pakistan was established in the name of Islam. We need to show unity and brotherhood. We need to act upon Christ saying unity, faith and discipline. We need to help others and make sincere efforts to make Pakistan the real Pakistan. As Quaid-e-Azam thought, let's remove corruption and terrorism from our country. For this, we need to take a step ahead to make Pakistan the homeland of prosperity. I request everyone to save Pakistan from these social crimes. Let's take Pakistan another level of glory. If we think as a real Pakistani, we should try to lead the mission of Quaid. In the end, let's pray for Pakistan. Let's pray that our country would make progress as other countries of the world. All this can come into reality when we will make sincere efforts as a Pakistani and as a true Muslim. Live long Pakistan.